Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and when we first moved to this house, one of my #1 projects was to create a cozy reading nook for myself. Now, what reading nook is complete without a great reading light? Well, I'm happy to say that this GETINLIGHT floor lamp has filled this need for me with major style. If there is something that this floor lamp is not, that is boring. It has this super cool and kind of unconventional arc design to it that I think really makes a bold statement in my living room. The base of this lamp is solid marble, which means it is extremely heavy. This makes this lamp incredibly stable and firm in whatever place you put it in. I seriously cannot imagine this lamp ever getting tipped over. I am completely in love with the rose gold orb-shaped metal lampshade. I think that it is so gorgeous and it casts the light perfectly over my favorite reading chair. It creates the perfect light and cozy ambiance in my reading corner without being too bright. I am absolutely thrilled with this lighting addition in my living room, and I am more than satisfied with how it has completed my reading corner. And that's my point of view.